Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will discuss about chapter number 1, quadratic equation of 10th class, and then first lecture of exercise 1.1. So question number 1 is write into standard form of quadratic equation. First part, x plus 7 and x minus 3 multiply and then equal to minus 7. So students, open the bracket. First and all, x multiply this whole bracket and then plus 7. X multiply x minus 3, it becomes x square minus 3x, and then 7 multiply with x minus 3 and result 7x minus 21. So x square plus minus 3 plus 7 becomes minus plus 4x minus 21 as it is, and 7 minus 7, it becomes a plus 7 when moved from right to left. And then finally x square plus 4x and minus 21 plus 7 becomes minus 14 equal to 0. So this is our required standard form of quadratic equation. And next student, and then second part is x square plus 4 divided by 3 minus x over 7 equal to 1. So first and all, take the LCM due to fraction. 3 and 7 both are non-common factors, so both are in LCM. 3 multiply 7 and then 7 multiply with this numerator x square plus 4 and this 3 multiply with the next term numerator x. So 7 multiply with x square plus 4 x 7x square plus 28 minus 3x, and then denominator 3 multiply 7 is 21 equal to 1 as it is. So student, next 21 is divided by in left term, so when move from left to right it becomes a multiply. 1 multiply 21, it becomes a 21, and 7x square minus 3x plus 28 is equal to 21, and then 21 move from right to left, minus 21 becomes minus 21, and finally 7x square minus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. This is required standard form of quadratic equation. And the next question, third part, x divided by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 over x equal to 6. Again, first take the LCM, x and x plus 1 both as a non-common, and then cross multiply. X multiply this x, it becomes x square, and x plus 1 multiply with x plus 1, it becomes also x plus 1 whole square. So first open the bracket, x square plus, in this format, x plus 1 whole square by applying the quadratic formula, algebraic formula, a plus b whole square. So according to a square means x square, b square means 1 square, and 2ab means 2 into x and 1, and in denominator x multiply in this bracket, so x square plus x equal to 6, and next x square plus x becomes 2x square. The square of 1 is equal to 1 and 2x. So x square plus 1 in denominator, move from left to right, it becomes a multiply, so 6 into x square plus x. And next in the left side, 2x square plus 1 plus 2x as it is, and 6x square plus 6x, and both terms move in right to left. 2x square minus 6x square plus 2x minus 6x, and this plus 1 as it is equal to 0. So minus 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. This is required standard form of quadratic equation. But according to condition, the x square, the coefficient of x square should be positive. So you can also write in form, change the all sign of quadratic equation, 4x square plus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So student, this is the final result of a third part And so I hope you understand this whole lecture. This is the first lecture of exercise 1.1 on behalf of my viewers' demand. I hope you understand this lecture. So if you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.